Welcome to the YouTube channel for day 218. This was the 5th of April 2023, a Wednesday. So I did exercise, worked on books, worked on Remote Wellness Academy, worked on insurance, and I had a lot of appointments in different places. I went to 2 different banks. I dropped off a big shipment of books. I had some other errands that I had to run. So it was a pretty long day yesterday. I am very grateful for, and also had an insurance meeting as well. So it was very, very busy. So very grateful for the insurance people, the people that that I'm going to be working with starting next week, and that went really well. And they've got a really good system. Really optimistic about how all that's going to be. So they were very, very, very thorough, really liked it. So we're going to see. I'm going to give it my best shot. So anyway, thanks very much for watching. Let me know what your comments and questions are. Like, comment, subscribe. I will talk to you tomorrow.